Hello and welcome to the vlog, Val Pals. I am getting ready right now to go get my nails done with my mom. You can kind of see my nails are press-ons and they're falling off, so I'm getting them redone. I basically went for nail tips, and then I had a really talented nail artist who got these little gel paints and little accessories slash gems on them. So I'm really excited. And I'm not a huge fan of how I did my makeup today, but it's okay, it works. And it looks cute in pictures, so. I'm visiting my parents' home in Florida. And we are about to go get me and my mom are about to go get our nails done. I kind of want to do a cutesy little, okay, I always do like stick-ons, but maybe, I don't know what they're called, like tips or acrylic or gel, I don't know. I don't know too much about nails, but we're gonna find out today. My nails before and my nails after. This is actually gorgeous. I think it took him almost like 2 hours or an hour and a half to do mine. And this is my mom's and my toes and my dog. And the next day, also my makeup looks so much better here. I double layered my blush, but we are preparing to go to the beach. We picked up my mom's car. We're getting her a little car wash. She was a little dirty, had a little bit of pollen on her, but it's okay. She's cute. I believe we're going to Deerfield Beach. We're gonna grab something to eat, and we're having a little beach day today. I feel like this is warranted. I have my new hair from a couple vlogs ago, the new nails. Maybe I'll take some cute photos. I don't know. I try not to take any photos of me in a bikini because that's like a lot of skin. This is also like really ironic because I used to model with like so much less clothes all the time, but it's just like not my vibe anymore. I like more modest outfits, I guess. But yeah, we're stopping and getting some money to pay the valet. We're driving my mom's convertible Camaro. Look at these cute little matching rings me and my mom got. I got the princess cut. It is unbelievably hot right now. I took one step in the sand. Oh my god, you guys can see my massive forehead now because my bangs are being blown everywhere. But I took one step in the sand and like I'm pretty sure I like burnt my big toes. Like they still burn. So we opted for coming back to our place to swim. I don't really swim, but I do sit here and chill, and maybe I'll like tan in the shade a little bit because I am really pale, and if I actually tan, I'm gonna burn. So my mom's talking to my dad right now, and then I'm gonna see if she's got some sunscreen that I can put on. I've only put sunscreen on my face. I hope I haven't like burnt already from walking around. I got this little cover up the last time we came to Florida. I don't remember from who. It was like a little boutique, but it's like one of my favorite cover-ups because I don't want to just walk around in a bikini, you know? But yeah, we're gonna chill out here for a little bit. And my food was really, really good from that place. My mom also got some type of chowder and coconut shrimp. Mine was just a crab burger. It was really yummy.